Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Shopify for CRM lead and order sync, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Shopify App Store. In the App Store search bar, type CRM. Review the CRM options available in the search results. Select the CRM app that best fits your needs. Click on the app to view its details and features. Make sure to check for user reviews and ratings. If satisfied, click on the Add App button. Follow the prompts to install the app to your Shopify store. Once the installation is complete, navigate to the app within your Shopify dashboard. Sign in or create an account with the CRM service. Link your Shopify store to your CRM account as directed. Configure your settings for lead and order syncing. Choose the specific data and fields you want to sync. Set your sync preferences, such as frequency and automation options. Test the connection to ensure everything is working correctly. Once verified, your leads and orders will now sync automatically. Monitor the synchronization process regularly for any issues. Adjust settings as needed based on your business requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.